All right, guys, we have another update to the update that was just installed on the delayed credits. Now, as you guys know, I do devise solutions, and as a user of the platform myself, I'm looking for the absolute best method of features and capabilities. So as I launched the delayed credits and understand that there's a max purchase price for a purpose, and that was essentially to help stimulate more activity in the marketplace. Well, I had initially launched this with a 30-day limit to say, hey, you have to purchase this amount of credits over the course of 30 days. However, as I'm using the platform, I'm seeing, wow, I want to invest more into this delayed credits feature, but I can't do it without purchasing a lot more credits recently, right? So if you guys look at the previous video I did for this wallet here, you'll notice that that was fairly restrictive. So what I've done is just open this up to say, to be fair, particularly to those of us that have been using the wallets for a long time and have been making purchases in the marketplace, adding value to the ecosystem, we should be able to benefit from that by being able to participate in the delayed credits without having to purchase credits within a certain window. So guys, I've opened that up to say you can make purchases of delayed credits as long as you've made purchases in the marketplace at any point in time. Okay. And that amount is going to be specified here. Now, of course, for this wallet, and I'm glad that it's showing this, the reason it's saying a max purchase here is because currently that's the maximum amount of Bitcoin I have in my wallet. So I'm not sure how many purchases I've made in the marketplace, but once I put more funds in here, that should go up to the extent of the number of purchases I've made since I've had this wallet. So that's the deal with this. So therefore, I will be able to participate, and others will be able to participate in the delayed credits feature without having to go into the marketplace. But this requirement is still here that you have to make purchases in the marketplace, because ultimately we do want to continue stimulating activity in the marketplace, because that is a key source of income for the system. So if I click on the learn more here, this is where the documentation for the delayed credits is. And what I've done here, now I'll eventually delete this, but what I've done is striked it out to say, where before it was the amount of delayed credits that you can purchase is limited to the amount of Bitcoin you have paid to purchase credits in the marketplace over the past 30 days. Well, this over the past 30 days feature is no longer required. So this statement has been replaced with this statement. So this right here will still be a valid and updated source of information to get the latest on the deal with the delayed credits. And I just wanted to drop this video so you guys that are using the platform will be aware of this. All right. So I will be taking better advantage of this feature going forward, and I'll be able to invest quite a bit more into it, and you guys can as well. All right. That's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.